Oh my God, Most High, people of today are most low in faith. Most don't believe that now is the end. You can blame them, please have more mercy. I too was like them before. Please show to the world the lightning of your might I've seen. Let them hear the thunder of your justice I heard. Display your powerful arms to the entire globe. How strengthy you are on Noah's time. You delayed the ark for people to repent. Your water had killed all. Refresh our memory of Sodom and Gomorrah. Only half of your fire had stormed them to death. Help us to recollect your most glorious pillars, clouds in daytime and fire at night. You are the destroyer of Balak the proud, the teacher of Balaam who disobeyed you. Please retain in our memory about the fall of a rich Jericho. By just the sound of the trumpet and united voices, you looted their wealth. How much more on Judgment Day? In your holiness, the wicked bring you to madness. They test your force, they strip your omnipotence. What kind of life they will have when the sun rotates inside the hell, a fire for all who chose to be inferior that God had made. Then